Everybody just calm down.
Our story of the day is I Know Who I Am. The ABCs of Positive Self-Affirmations for Children, written by Portia Smith. Busy, I know you're going to learn your ABCs today, boy. Look in the mirror and tell me what you see. Mommy, I see a wonderful looking back at me. I see an amazing, marvelous, incredible me. You are indeed a special child. Always humble, meek and mild. Positive thinking is a powerful tool. Through the alphabets, we can learn that positive self-affirmations are cool. So children, come along. Let's take a look. We can read affirmations like a book. Whoa. Whoa! Can we say A? A. I am awesome. You are awesome. Definitely awesome. B! I am brave. You are all brave, queens. You are all brave. C! C! I am caring. We are all caring. D! I am dependable. Yes, you are, young kings and queens. Yes, you are. E! I am energetic. Whoa! Busy, can you do the robot? You can't move like this. F! I am friendly. Yes, I am. We are all friendly. G! I am grateful. We are all grateful. Hold up. What color is this page? Yellow. Good job. Good job. H! H is I am happy. So I'm happy. I am important. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. J! I am joyful. Yes, you are joyful. Yes, you are. K! I am kind. Yes, I am. Busy. You better be kind to everybody. Everybody. I am love, and that is L. L to the O, V to the E. L. I am magnificent. Yes, you are, King. You are magnificent, wearing that crown. N. I am nice. Yes, you are. Look at she giving her that ice cream. Wow. Oh, I am outstanding. Outstanding. P. I am proud. I am so proud to read to y'all. Q. I am qualified. We are all qualified to read. We are. R. I am respectful. Please be respectful to everyone you encounter, like my little ones. S. I am strong. Let me see your muscles right now. Busy, can I see your muscles? T. I am thoughtful. Yes, we are. We are very thoughtful. U. I am unique. Yes, we are all unique. Yes, you are, young king. Yes, you are. V. I am valuable. We are all valuable in this world. Yes, we are, young kings and queens. W. I am wonderful. Hold up. What color is this page? Pinkish, purple. You getting there. Good job, good job. X. I am Xenial. SAT word. Uh-oh. Y. I am youthful. Yes, we are. We don't Mr. Billy coming up there. Z. I am zestful. Look at the young kings and queens right there. You know what? I've learned that I am awesome, brave, and as strong as I can be. I learned that I am somebody and I can empower empower me. The end.